How's everybody doing? Check this out. Hope you Jeepies out there, you Jeep people, if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're still here, thanks for watching and spreading the word about what's up. It's Mark. Behind me to here we have a gorgeous 2005 Jeep Wrangler 4.0 liter X 4x4 trail rated X Wrangler, man. It's awesome. Awesome Jeep, guys, honestly. Here's the mods we did to it. Brand new wheels, Pro Comp wheels. That's pretty much all we did to it, really. It's a nice truck. It's not a truck, it's an SUV. It's labeled as, classified as an SUV. With that said, let's get into it. As you can see in the beginning of the video, full turn left, full turn right. What's it running on? Let's scope it out. So it's running on a set of beautiful 15-inch black Pro Comp wheels. And we decided to leave the lug nuts exposed. They are chrome open-end lug nuts. And the reason why we decided to do that instead of black closed-end lug nuts is because I think it gives more of like a trail rated, like get down and dirty, rugged look to it. It looks pretty tough. Honestly, that's why we decided. And we also had the lug nuts in stock too, so we wanted to use the lug nuts. So, you know I can't lie to you guys. I'm not lying. It's got 2.0 series Fox shocks, all four corners. Beautiful setup. It's got a small lift kit on it, and it's a really kick-ass Jeep, kick-ass. Got some nice LED lights here, both sides. It's got the bracket up top for the big, like 60-inch one, which is not there. There's the rock guards right here for the headlights, the rock guards for the turn signals lights. Engine boasts a beautiful, the famous 4.0 liter, all new fluids, oil changed, filters and all. Everything's up to par. The underside of it's clean, no rust in the famous spots like you can see, like the fenders right here. No rust there, no rust here, which they're famous for. You got a little bit of hate right here on the hood from where a bug deflector was. Right there, 1, 2, 3 spots. Hey, Noah, follow the camera with me as I go. Ready? 1, 2, 3 spots. Ready? Watch. Go. 1, 2, 3. Try again. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Noah can't even keep up with how fast my fingers are.
No, I'm trying to look through the camera.
Wham!
Oh, yeah, I kept up with that one though.
Yeah. Guys, this is a Bestop hard top. Just kidding, major look. It's Bestop soft top. Shocks, Fox shocks in the rear. Full size spare, because I'm not cheap. What do I do? Like, oh, I don't need a full size spare. No, I'm OCD. You guys know me by now. I bought a brand new full size spare because I hate in my mind when I see something it's not uniform or matching. So I spent the damn money and I got a full size spare. There you go. Tow hooks. Pushing rear bumper. If you go like that and you pull this big sucker out. Heavy duty spare tire carrier, solid steel rear bumper. You get your D-rings right there that are painted. The rear, they took the rear seat out, so there's no rear seat. And that's pretty much about it. No rips in the top besides this one small spot in the back window, but it's not even a rip. It's just like a small spot right there.
New tag bolt.
Yeah, new tag bolt. Come on, get in. I honestly wish I could do more hardcore videos for you guys, like illegally trespassing on property and ripping up shrubs and bushes and rolling and crazy stuff, but people get mad when you do that. So here's the interior. Let me show you guys the interior. Check it out. You want to sit on my lap?
Yes.
I knew you guys were waiting for this, especially you Jeep people. 6 or 5.
Clearly you're not a Jeep person.
Huh? All right, as Noah messed me up. Manual transmission. Okay, watch. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Go on, shifter. 5, 6. Reverse. All right, it's all there. Don't worry. Your rock lights are right here. Look, rock lights. See that right there? The rock lights are on. See my hand? Look. Go show them the front of the rock lights. And hurry up. We got to cut the video short. Ready? Rock lights. The interior is absolutely super clean. No rips, no tears in the driver's seat or in the passenger seat. Aftermarket Sindel-Ding Sony stereo. And this sucker has, let me see the mileage. Oh, it's crammed up in a Jeep, guys. Ready? Mileage. 141,133 maintained miles on this. We got the sound bar up top right here with your speakers and all the lights and stuff like that. Your spare key, which Noah should have put a stock number on here so I can make sure it goes to this vehicle. Nice, brand new, comes with the truck, comes with the Jeep. Inspection, pass it, flying colors, and she runs great. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. I want to head on out of here and oh, that's what we got. We got new door hangers too, or door straps. So that's it. Brand new door strap on this side that was broke. And that's about it. But I hope you guys like the video. This is Mark signing out with 2005 Jeep Wrangler. And all new front suspension on here. Check it out. Let me show you guys under here. Look. So, brand new stabilizer shock right here. Okay. All brand new joints, as you can see. Look at that. Ball joints, tie rods. I mean, you name it. Pitman arm. All brand new under here. So, it's all really nicely done. And it's put together well. And it's built well. It doesn't shake. Doesn't have the death wobble. It's nice.
Doesn't there something with the exhaust?
Got an aftermarket exhaust on it.
There you go.
I think. I don't know. You're thinking about different
Banks.
trucks. Yeah. Maybe. We think so. Just kidding. All right. Hope you guys are doing great. See you later. This is Mark signing out.